Hey YouTubers, this is Tony Saromoro. You know me like Papu Rider. I have a review on a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Okay? I hear that these trucks are terrible trucks. They have many issues with the transmission. Now tell me if you ever pull a transmission out of one of these Colorados. 4x4 transmission. So far it's giving me so much hard time to pull the transmission out. I got to the point where I have to remove the torque converter bolts. But to get to the torque converter bolts, what do I have to do? I did remove the exhaust manifold, which is this one. And then once I did that, I removed the little shield for the starter. And then once I remove the shield from the starter is right there. I cannot find or see any other access point so I can remove the torque converter bolts. Now this is the starter. I already disconnect the battery. That's the first thing you have to do. Disconnect the battery. Okay? Now I gotta take the power cable off and remove the bolts and see if I can push the starter back. If I cannot push the starter back, I'm gonna have to remove this bracket so I can remove the starter out, because I believe behind the starter and front of the starter, that's the access point so I can remove the torque converter bolts. But let me ask you this. Why GM, Chevrolet dealers, they hiring so stupid freaking engineers? Why? So no other mechanic can do the job under the dealer and the dealer can rip you off? That's what they're doing? Plus the design is so stupid. You know? If you do a review with finding this kind of crap truck, now there's a lawsuit against GM and Chevrolet because these trucks, they're garbage. Don't buy one. I'm telling you. This customer was driving so comfortable on the freeway. Suddenly, boom, transmission blew out. Oil was okay, everything was okay. What happens? Chevrolet, GM engineers, they're dumb. They're getting dumb. They're making garbage. You buying garbage. Don't buy garbage. Believe me. Buy a Toyota, Nissan. Don't buy this kind of garbage. I'm serious. They're making so hard for the other mechanics to make a living. Why? This is a quick review about this Colorado. Don't buy Colorados. Don't buy Silverados. You think you are the man buying Silverados? Don't buy Silverados. Believe me, you will regret it. Okay? If you own a Colorado, you can apply on the internet for the lawsuit they have right now, and you can get some money back. Okay? All right. Leave some comments.